When we have clients come in to see us because they've been injured in a slip and fall or a trip and fall situation, they often want to know immediately, what is the value of my claim? And that's not something that you can be told immediately if you're seeing an attorney right after your claim. In fact, I tell clients all the time, if they go see an attorney who sees them right after their incident and tells them what their claim is worth, you need to go find another attorney, because that attorney's not doing you a service, because that simply can't be known at that time. The value of your claim will depend on a number of factors, such as the severity of your injury, the length of recovery, if you can recover, whether you have a permanent injury, whether you lose wages and can't work, the amount of disruption your life suffers, and the amount of your medical expenses. When you're getting into a case like this, obviously a broken arm has more value than a sprained thumb does. So you have to look at all of the various factors in there to determine what type of impact this injury has had on your life. One of the good things about slip and fall cases or trip and fall cases is they generally occur on a premises of a grocery store or a drugstore or a department store or some facility that's a professional business facility, and they usually have plenty of liability coverage. So generally you don't have the same situations you may have in a car wreck where there's not enough insurance to compensate you for your injuries. However, getting compensation in a slip and fall case or a trip and fall case is much harder than in a car wreck case, because there's often a lot more defenses to liability in the trip and fall and slip and fall type cases. So if you've suffered an injury in a slip and fall or trip and fall, it's very important to get to a lawyer immediately and get someone who is representing your side and making sure everything is done. There are a lot of things that need to be done, such as gathering video evidence and making sure evidence doesn't disappear, which it has a tendency to do when someone gets injured on those premises. If you would like to consult with me about your slip and fall or trip and fall injury, please give me a call. We're here to help.